In this video, I will show you the integration between AssetAccountant and Xero. I have opened an AssetAccountant register that is connected to a Xero ledger, and you will see on the left-hand side a new menu item called Draft Assets has appeared. This shows the draft assets within the Xero system. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to add a new asset into the draft assets within Xero. This can be added manually, or you can add this through your normal bank rec process, provided you don't register the asset. So I'm going to add a new iPhone for Jim, choose the purchase date and the purchase price. So let's say that was $899. And then I select the type of asset that is, and then I save that as draft. So this can enter the Xero fixed asset register either manually in that way or automatically via the Xero bank feed. When I go into AssetAccountant and select Draft Assets, new iPhone for Jim has now appeared with the date $899. And then all I need to do is review that in the Add Asset button, and then I can add the asset group. So that is clearly a mobile phone. Then I can just choose the depreciation rate, which I can either look up from the ATO or the IRD. So let's just say I want to depreciate that for tax over 2 years and accounts over 3. And then once I've done that, I can save that asset, and then that asset will now be added to the balance sheet, the new iPhone for Jim. Then when I create the journals next, the depreciation will be posted automatically from AssetAccountant into Xero. So here I'm going to create a new journal for the month of May, and you'll see that that's now been added. The mobile phone has been added, and I can post that direct to Xero. So I'm going to post the depreciation entry straight to Xero. And you'll see in Xero, I can look at the journals that have been posted. And on the list of the journals there, you'll see there's an AssetAccountant journal that's been posted as of today, which is the depreciation that's been posted for the new mobile phone. One other thing I can do within AssetAccountant in register settings is synchronize classifications with the Xero tracking categories. So if I have not done that, the system will remind me from time to time. So synchronize the classification. So within my Xero ledger, I have location and department set up, and then I can just walk through to check that I've had no new options set up within Xero. And if I have, AssetAccountant will create those for you automatically.